M2A2 Bradley is the best IFV. They call him the tank killer. Base Systems Land and Armaments, which was formerly United Defense. M2A2 Bradley combat weight 27.6 tons. Crow 3A commander, a gunner and a driver, as well as 6 fully equipped soldiers. Equipped with two 5mm M242 chain gun and tow-guided missile systems. The Bradley is the principal American infantry fighting vehicle. Its main task is to provide fast transportation to small infantry units to support them with fire and to fulfill a reconnaissance role. It was partially developed as a response to the perceived threat of the well-armed Soviet BMP infantry fighting vehicle. Various upgrades were incorporated into the design during the 2 decades of its development, resulting in potent but expensive infantry fighting vehicle, with its price being well over $3 million. The Bradley first saw service in the Gulf War, where the M2s claimed more enemy tanks destroyed than the Abrams battle tanks. In armored warfare, M2A2 Bradley is IFV equipped with turret-mounted 2 5mm Bushmaster cannon that is powerful enough to deal damage even to heavier targets, a tow missile launcher, MAKINH, truly well armed for its class. Its aluminum armor is thick enough to protect the Bradley against V0mm cannon fire, and its powerful 600 HORSCPOWE Cummins diesel engine allows it to reach 60 kilometers per hour, while offering excellent cross-country capabilities. The Bradley is already a legend, can be said. They are proudly bearing the name of the famous American General Omar Bradley. M2A2 is death to living force off the enemy, and his nickname is Hunter Killer Vehicle.